Hey guys, hey Rebels. So today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Jordan 1 Retro High Satins. These babies right here are something different, man. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys remember the old Satins that came out a few years ago, but Nike finally brought them back out and they fire it than ever. So I'm gonna get into this quick review for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments. Let me know if you got them or not. If you want to get them, like I said, I need 1,000 subscribers so we can start raffling out these sneakers that I have for you guys and have a little bit of fun. So let's get into this review and keep your comments on below. All right, guys. So now we're gonna get into it. This is the box that you guys can see. This is the original Nike OG box. Looking pretty pretty already, pretty nice. You know, tell me what y'all thinking. Nice little old school box. Oh, this is nice. It comes here. Look at this. This looks like a little tote bag. Oh, so all y'all that, you know, wear sneakers and go to the gym and all that, it comes with a nice little tote bag. Pretty neat. Like that. Definitely want that. And then let's get into the actual kicks. So let's see. These satin, baby. Ooh, these are so sexy. Look at these. Look at that. The old school retro Jordan logo. The wings. Satin. Black and red. Like the white, the detail. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's just satin and they're like amazing. Definitely got a fit for these. Red bottoms. Not Louis Vuitton. Red bottom Jordans. See them. Let me know your comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. If you have them, if you would cop them or drop them. You know, if you guys want to get into the raffle, once I get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and TikTok, I'll be raffling out all these kicks. So if you share with your friends, let them know there's a heat wave coming near you, and pretty much it. I mean, this is a nice little new release. Jordan 1 Retros Highs. Dope. Only thing I don't, it does have the OG vibe. There's no Jumpman logo. It's all Nike Air, Nike track here, and only the Air Jordan wings right here. That's it. And these right here are the size 10.5. And I have another pair for sale too. So I said, you guys follow, check me out, and I'll be doing more reviews on a weekly basis as I get more heat. So tag a friend, let me know. Tag somebody that you know would rock these too. All right.